こんにちは。VR 日本語の萌です。今日はね、Today I would like to talk about 夏時間 aka サマータイム aka Daylight Saving かな？そうですね。はい。In Australia, where I am, it's starting on 10月3日 3rd of October.In UK and EU, it starts on 10月31日 31st of October. In US, Canada, it starts on 11月8日 8th of November. We'll learn 5 useful phrases and vocabulary around summertime daylight saving. So let's get it started. 日本にはサマータイムがありません。There is no daylight saving in Japan. So I was super confused when I came to Australia. Anyway, here's top 5 useful phrases around summer time. Number 1. Number 1. 時差 Time difference 日本とオーストラリアの時差は1時間です。日本とオーストラリアの時差は1時間です。Time difference between Japan and Australia is 1 hour. How do you say 1 hour ahead or behind? シドニーは日本より1時間早いです。シドニーは日本より1時間早いです。Sydney is 1 hour ahead of Japan. How do I say America is behind 13 hours of Japan? ニューヨークは日本より13時間遅いです。ニューヨークは日本より13時間遅いです。New York is 13 hours behind Japan.It's interesting to note here is 早い fast 遅い slow instead of saying ahead or behind. So that first vocabulary is 時差 time difference, and to say ahead of time早いです。Behind is 遅いです。Useful word and phrases related to summertime 夏時間。時計の針を進める。To advance your clock forward. 時計 means clock. 進める means to advance or move forward, clock or watch. 針 means needles or hand in case of the hand of clock. So it means to move the hand of clock or watch forward. Right now, Sydney, Australia is coming to summertime, so we are putting the clock forward.時計の針を進めます。時計の針を進めます。Useful phrases and vocabulary around summertime. 時計の針を戻す。時計の針を戻す。 It means putting the hand of the clock backwards, signifying the end of the summer time. Because Australia is on the southern hemisphere, 南半球, and the season is the other way around of northern hemisphere, 北半球. Southern hemisphere, 南半球 start the summertime を始めます。Northern hemisphere, 北半球 will finish the summertime, so you will put the clock backward. 時計の針を戻します。It happens on different days around the world, so it can be a little challenging time for us who is doing online classes, like for the people who's attending my anime classes and VR classes and YouTube live classes. The time is going to change a little bit for everyone. ということで、today we learned about 夏時間 summer time related vocabulary and phrases. I hope you find it useful and make sure to adjust your timing and calendar for your online classes and YouTube live classes. And I look forward to seeing you in next video. Thank you always for watching. またね。じゃあね。This beautiful VR world is made by Q-chan. Q-chan さんです。ありがとうございます。お邪魔しています。And amazing thing happens here when you pull this lever. Let me pull. Ooh. This is what happened. Amazing, isn't it? Let's pull that lever again. We're in the water. Oh my goodness. Amazing. Wow. It's incredible. すごいですよね。天空の城ラピュタみたい。わー、綺麗ですね。地球が見えます。地球 Earth. If you have a chance, please visit the UFO. Please visit this world. It's absolutely amazing and beautiful world. Thank you always for watching. またね。じゃあね。